Aloha, welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. This is Fred. Don't worry, my little Chihuahua Mookie will be along shortly. Coming up this episode, we're doing something a little different. I'm in charge of cooking dinner, so I'm going to make a croque monsieur, which is basically just a French open-faced ham sandwich. If you want a croque madame, that's with an egg. The egg is the madame's hat, but I'm just doing the croque monsieur today. Anyways, we're going to make a quick drink. This is called a Mexicana. It's a shaken drink. It's got a little ice. And we'll go 2 ounces of tequila. I got some Villa Lobos today, top shelf. We'll just go 2 ounces. And then 1 ounce pineapple. And a half ounce of lemon. I'm just gonna squeeze the juice from a half lemon. Think fast, Fred. A little bit of a shaky. And then I'm gonna, oh, I forgot, grenadine. All right, we'll do it like a tequila sunrise. And I'm gonna put the grenadine on the bottom. And then we'll strain this on in. So this is tequila, pineapple juice, and fresh lemon. Oopsie. And I got a nice lime wedge as garnish. And that, my friends, is a Mexicana. Coming up next, I'm cooking dinner.
Myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. This really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be One day I'll be yours. I'll be yours. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life lessons come 1 in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. Life changes just open the door. One thing's certain, I'll always be yours.
watching another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie and this is Mookie. We're saying life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.